Today's agenda is going to be mainly around just one shot. Obviously, I might take more than just one photo, but it's going to be centered around one theme, which is to take the sunset being aligned with the Tsing Ma bridge. I think it's going to be a beautiful composition, and as long as I nail the proper spot, I think it's a shot worth taking. So for these types of alignment photos, it's very important to get your positioning right. So we already have the general idea of where we need to take the photo, but getting to the actual spot, very challenging because the accessibility of it all is not completely straightforward. There are some gaps in the road works or maintenance works that make it very challenging to move around and change the compositions. To make sure that I'm at the right spot, I'm going to be using the Photopills app and use the augmented reality function so that I know which spot I need to set up my shot and have that perfect alignment nailed down. So originally I didn't plan to do any videos today, but then I received 2 DMs from my IG friends. So that's Iris over there, and Willie is somewhere in the back. Willie, someone I met when I was taking moon photos a long time ago. Met a new friend today, meet Willie. So for these types of special alignment photos, seems I have friends following me around. But it's all good, it's all good. They kept me accountable in going out today when otherwise I would have just stayed home. So find yourself some photography buddies. Iris's composition is going to be quite different from what I had in mind. She's opting for the closest spire right in the middle to align the sun. But for me, because I have 100 to 400, I wanted to maximize the zoom and the compression effect. So I wanted to capture the spires towards the far end of the bridge. And for that, I need to separate from my friends and shoot alone.
Yeah, we are all shooting separate.
So while I wait, let me share the composition that I had in mind for you. So since I have 2 cameras and tripods with me, I'm taking a wide-angle time-lapse with the A7C II on the opposite side. And the main shot that I had in mind is to take the 100 to 400 to zoom in and have more compression with the Tsing Ma bridge and the sun. So I'm going to be using that main spire, and then the sunset will be on this spot, aligned with the further spires of the bridge. I might need to readjust the framing unless I get the coordinates incorrect, but I think this is going to be the general shot that I'm going to be taking today. Of course, I have to take a time-lapse to build the upcoming photos up, and spoiler alert, they do deserve it. But without further ado, these are my Tsing Ma bridge sun alignment photos in Hong Kong. I took 2 main photos of the event, this one with more of a foreground to pull you in, and another with a more stable composition. I made a poll on Instagram to see which photo people preferred, and surprisingly, the results were near equal. So I'm curious what you think. Let me know in the comments below. So the sunset alignment just finished and it was just absolutely glorious. The sun just looked like an egg yolk, but I'm not done, so stick around because I am going to be waiting for blue hour until the Tsing Ma bridge is completely illuminated, and with the headlights from the cars, I think it's going to form some nice light trails, and that's going to be one hell of a bridge shot. So I decided to come here to where Iris is shooting because I felt all alone in that spot. I need friends. So how was your shot?
It's good.
How come? It was so nice.
The weather is bad.
No? You could see the egg yolk.
It wasn't the right alignment.
So that's why you should have come over there with me. Those colors are just absolutely phenomenal. You can see the gradients from the warm sunset all the way to the cooler purplish blue hues, and there are some light beams shooting up to the sky. Oh my god. I'm so glad I didn't stay home today. Thank you, Iris and Willie, for forcing me to get out here. Okay, so it's about time to be wrapping up this very quick and spontaneous shoot. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.